What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're jumping back into the Crown, and it actually came with a VIP table that was mounted in the auction papers, but it was in the boot when I got it, and I've recently fixed it. A couple of the trims were not on, but they came with it, so I've stuck them back on, got it all looking real Mickey Mouse, and now we'll just jump in and I'll show you how to install it, because some people, they just screw it straight into their dashboard, straight into their glove box, like right in the front of it. I don't like that. That's a bit dodgy for me. I'm trying to keep this thing pristine. I'm going to try and use the mounting holes for the actual glove box to mount this. So it's nice and tidy, and if I want to take it out, I can, and there's not horrible holes in the dash. So let's jump in. Okay, so here's a VIP table that came with my car. A couple of those trims I had to redo, which is fine, but she looks pretty good. And I'm going to chuck her in, obviously, right there. Now, I may need to have my glove box open all the time. I'm not sure. I've never actually seen it installed, but I'll pop you guys down and see how we go with it. Okay guys, that was the world's easiest install. So I'm stoked. This is such a well-built table. I don't know where it's from, but you've got 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3, holding the top of your glove box in. This just takes the second one and the third one, longer screws, and it holds it straight in. And it's actually even got little cutouts, so my glove box still closes. So this is sane. I was considering putting it in for the video and then seeing how I go, maybe take it out or whatever, but that's awesome. It's it's incredible. I'm so happy with that. So today's going to be a really short video, guys. I'm sorry about that. I thought this was going to be way longer and way more involved, but that shows you can install VIP tables without damaging your dash. So I'll bring you down and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see under here, guys, where are we? Looking at the right spot, okay. So there and there, just mount into the mounting holes of the dash. And you can see the little cutouts in the side is exactly where my glove box clicks back into. Boom. So if your VIP table doesn't come with that panel under there, that's all you've got to do is have these little kick downs, that kick down and this kick down, and mount it actually to your glove box. So there we go, guys. Real quick and easy for me install of the VIP table. I know I definitely had it easier because this was set up exactly to mount just like that. But please, guys, try and install yours this way. Don't go drilling holes in your dash that, oh, the table has to be there forever, because otherwise, you know, you'll see big horrible holes. You don't have to do that. Try and do your modifications to your cars so that it can be reversed, because you don't know what your tastes are going to be like in the future. I know the Supra, I've done a bunch of stuff that I've changed later on to make it a lot more factory looking. I may get sick of this table. I may want to take it out. I don't know. To be honest, I probably won't. I really like the look of these. It just brings that little extra level of class. This is going to stay in for a long time. And just so you guys can see, I'm 6'3". I'm sitting in the passenger seat. So I got heaps of room, heaps of like leg room. My bum's not always, actually, look, that's my bum into the back of the seat. So I wouldn't stress too much about putting a VIP table in and going, oh, you know, it's going to interfere with the person's leg room and that sort of thing, because honestly it doesn't. And that's in the UZS186, obviously. I can only go by what my car has, but yeah, this one mounts up great. So I hope that was helpful for some of you guys, maybe someone that's trying to install a VIP table that they just bought, or they're making one, or whatever it may be. I think a lot of the companies would probably have a way of mounting it like this, you would assume, if they're making quality product. So yeah, even if you got a universal, like a cheap one, make up a little mount like that underneath and you'll save your dash. So yeah, I hope that helps. Please like, guys, please subscribe, trying to blow this channel up. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.